Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're here in our kitchen and we're having trouble with this little strip back here in the back of our cabinet coming loose, and we're going to take it out today. We're going to clean it, clean the groove really good, and we're going to recaulk it. And we're going to show you the process for doing that. So stick with us as we go through this process. Okay, first off, we're going to talk about some of the things that we're going to use. We got this DAP caulking. Now this is silicone caulking. It says it's for windows, doors, and siding, but we're going to use it here in our kitchen. Talked to a professional. He said it would work just fine because it is just plain silicone sealer. But this is kind of a beige color. It says almond, but it's almond color. We wanted that instead of white because we felt like it would match our cabinets a little better. And we also got this Caulking Finishing Set. I'll show you a little better picture of this up in the corner. But it helps you get the bead of caulking a little smoother and a little more even. So we'll be using that, and also our caulking gun. And of course we'll be using different kind of cleaners and stuff to get the groove clean where we pull our old one out. This old one, it's mostly loose anyway. It just was, tacked on there with some double stick tape, which over the years it gets old and comes off. So we're just going to throw this away. And so the first thing we're going to do is clean all this crud out of the groove. Then we'll recaulk it, smooth it up, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, this is one of the tools from the caulking kit, and this is actually for removing the old caulking. And what we were worried about getting out was this double stick tape that was used in places to hold that old piece of strip in place. And we found that this thing would go in that corner and just take that stuff off pretty easy. That piece there came off a lot easier than some of the others did. But we found this tool worked really good to get that old double stick tape out of the grooves. And although we're not removing old caulking, I really believe it would work well for that too. Now at this point, we've removed our old caulking strip, or whatever you call that thing, that's in the place of where caulking would normally be. We cleaned it well, we got all the double stick tape off, we got all the gook off, and then we cleaned it with alcohol. Because the cleaners that we use to get all the gunk off, there's oils and stuff in it, so we clean it with alcohol to get all that off. That way the caulking will stick better. So now we're ready to do the caulking, and I'm just going to show you this one little spot here. We're just going to come across here like so. Just trying to keep good even pressure coming across there. And I know I'm out of the screen right now, but I want to get to the end before I stop. All right. Now, this tool that came with our caulking kit is for fixing your groove to make it nice and even. And what you do is you put this point down, and this edge should both be against the wall and this against the bottom of the cabinet. So we come across here like so. And I'm not getting in there good. I know you can't see real good because of me. But when we get everything right, it comes across like that. It makes a real nice seam coming across there. At this point, we're finished with our caulking job here in our kitchen. And I'll put a close-up picture up here in the corner because I know you can't see it very well in the video. But we'll put a close-up up here in the corner. This DAP silicone worked really well. It is, like I said, it's the, the almond color. But it matches our cabinet tops very well. And these tools, this part for getting the bead smooth worked really good. The scraper tool worked really good, but it wears out quickly. It is plastic. The corners are wearing out on us. We actually, at the end of the job, we were using something like a putty knife with a fairly sharp edge on the putty knife. And we kind of used that at the end to get some of the gunk off. And then we cleaned it with some cleaning towels and things to get it cleaned up and looking really good before we put the caulking on there. And we're real pleased with the way it looks and the way it worked out. Our tools worked well. So we'd just like to say, if you find this video useful, please click like and share it with your friends. And if you're interested in saving money by doing things yourself, subscribe to our channel because that's what we're all about. So if you subscribe to our channel, it'll help you find our old videos as well as new videos coming up. So at this point, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting. Do it yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.